sabayan niyo po kami na kantahan ang isang birthday song si Chloe. Ready? Oh, yeah, we're just calling and to complete to complete everyone here in front. Okay, perfect. And we're all good. Sabayin niyo po kami kantahan si Chloe. Ready? Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chloe. Happy birthday to you.
Bring the beat in! Hey! Happy birthday, Chloe! Oh, happy birthday! God! Chloe, time to make a wish.
And once you're ready, you may blow your candle.
A big round of applause, everyone, to Chloe, our debutante. Happy birthday, Chloe. Yan, at dahil nga po ay nabulo ng orderly fashion, kayo po ay lalapitan ng ating coordinators from Awesome Events. At lapitan po si Chloe sa on stage para po sa